What's up, y'all? Back some more free game. This video, I'm here to put y'all on some game, ladies and men. You feel me? This is a message I feel like was well needed for both genders. For y'all men, I'm gonna get in y'all ass. Pause after the woman. I just want to get a woman a message because they seem to not get it. You feel me? And y'all men also seem to not get it. So I don't want to just put this is cash free game, not cash free game for men. I'm putting ladies on too. So please smash that like button. If you haven't already, please make sure that you do subscribe below. And also, if you haven't already, please press the bell notification next to the subscribe option to be notified when I do update my latest content here on Cash Free Game. Let's get right to the video. All right, hopping right into it. Ladies, let's have a talk, man. I want to put y'all on some game because I want to hit y'all with some logic. I hear this a lot. I had discussions with different females. I even talk with my mom. I talk with female friends, exes, girls who I'm talking to, and y'all seem really not to get it. And when I do go in depth, when I do start to explain, a lot of times they cut me off because what I'm saying hurt their ego because the truth can hurt. But if you do want to learn something from this channel and you're a lady, please watch this video. Let me get right into it without further ado. So ladies, what I want to talk about with y'all is y'all seem to not understand why a guy would not tell you his true intentions of why he want to fuck with you when he first started talking to you. What do I mean by that? A lot of guys, they just want to pump and dump. You feel me? Wham, bam, thank you, Mel. They just want to get sex. They want to pleasure you. You feel me? They want to get in them guts. They want to pound you out for hours. They want to slaughter the pussy. Excuse my French. And then they want to dip. So a lot of y'all have a problem with that because a man who knows what he's doing, y'all deal with alpha males, and a lot of the time the bad boy who's an alpha male, y'all get y'all heart broke, or y'all might just feel like y'all got y'all time wasted. So I'm here to put y'all on some game. Y'all don't understand why a man just don't tell you out the gates that, hey, this is just what I wanted. I just want to be fuck buddies, you feel me? I just want sex out of this relationship, out of this bond, out of whatever y'all have going on. And so a lot of y'all, what y'all say is, if a man just be honest out the gates, if a man just tell me what he wants, I might just be fine with that. No, you won't. You won't. I promise you won't. And why is that? Because it's gonna turn you off. Females don't want to hear the truth. A woman, if I told a woman right now, I'm not saying this is necessarily me, but we just keep it 100. If sex is the goal for me, if I want to just, if the main goal for me while talking to this girl is fucking, you feel me? I don't want compatibility. I don't want to take you on dates. I can really care less about cuddling. I'm not really going to be lovey-dovey with you. We're not going to have picnics at the fucking park. This is not a priority. Essentially, I just want to have sex. But I don't want to tell you that. So what a lot of men would do, ladies, what a lot of guys would do, and a lot of times a man can show his intentions out the gate, so y'all just don't want to see shit for what it is. But a lot of times a man, he would just lead you on. He might make you feel like that he likes you, you feel me? He likes you a lot, and he want things to progress into maybe a relationship. He want to get to know you, eventually meet the family. But really, he just want to fuck. So, before I tell y'all why, or before I give y'all an answer, before I put you on a free game, and y'all don't gotta say it out loud. Why do you think a man would only want to have sex and lead you on and not tell you what he really wants? You feel me? Why? The reason being is because a motherfucker, a guy, a dude, if I tell you out the gates, look, baby, you feel me? We've been talking for about 2 weeks. Keep it 100 with you. You cute. I like you a lot. But something about your personality is going to keep me from wanting to get in a relationship. So because of that, I just want to have sex. Because of that, I just want to fuck. I want to get in them guts. You feel me? And that's really all I want. I can care less about establishing a bond. I can care less about posting on social media for my Women Crush Wednesday. I just want the sex. A man wouldn't tell you that because his fear of losing you. His fear, if I tell her this, she may fall back. If I keep it 100, if I be honest with a woman, and if I really tell her what my true intentions are, a man don't want you to fall back. So in order to keep you around, he feeds you lies. You feel me? he gonna manipulate you and thinking this is turning into something that's gonna benefit both of y'all, and really it's only benefiting him. Because while your feelings getting involved, he only wanna fuck. But if I tell you that I only wanna fuck, and it's gonna get a why would a man tell you he only wants to fuck if he only wants to fuck? Because if he only wants to fuck and he tell you that, then you may fall back. You don't want to be in a situation no more. So he keep you around long enough until he get his nut off, until he fuck, and he only gonna keep using you for sex. But if he tell you that, then you may fall back, and now I can't get what I want. You feel me? It's as simple as that. I'm not saying it's right or wrong. I'm not saying it's something I agree with. It's mainly the facts. So that's the reason why a man might not keep it 100 with you. You feel me? So get out of la la land, ladies. A man is not doing this just to play with your time, just play with your emotions. But y'all really not. Y'all guilty too. You feel me? Don't think I'm not about to get on y'all. I'm about to. A man, if he wants something from you, that being your body, you feel me? That being your sex appeal, what you have between your legs, he gonna lead you on. He gonna manipulate you. He gonna sell you a dream, sell you a fantasy, make you think that it's going somewhere. Really, he only wants the sex. Do I do this? No. I don't lie to women. You feel me? I don't want to get Me Too'd. I don't want to have to get a fucking court appeal saying I got to appear at court for fucking raping a bitch. You feel me? I don't lead girls on. I'm too grown for that shit. If a girl don't want what I bring to the table, if a girl asks me, am I dating around? I'm not going to lie and tell her, no, I don't have other girls, because my fear of losing you, I'm in my scarcity mindset. I feel that if I tell her that this is what I want, that she might fall back because she don't like the circumstances of our relationship. Not committed relationship, but our relationship, for lack of better words. So that'll be the reason, man. Because if he tell you, then you might fall back and he might not get what he want. Plain and simple. But let me keep it 100 with y'all, man. With y'all fellas, a woman wants a man for what he can provide subconsciously. A woman wants a man for what he can provide, being his external factors. This is why a dude who broke can never get a girl who rich. You feel me? That broke guy, you might not even be broke, but if you're a McDonald's worker, if you work at fucking Sam's Club, if you're the cashier, if you collect the carts from the parking lot, you have no chance at all with Beyonce. But a broke woman has a chance with a man who has success, a man who's established. You feel me? So these motherfuckers, what y'all gotta understand, bro, these motherfuckers understand this shit. The successful man and a beautiful woman. Guys only want me for my sex, you feel me? And women only want me for my success. So if they use that to their benefit, are they wrong? You feel me? A girl, a female, she wants a guy for his external, what he can provide. What kind of car are you driving? You feel me? Where are you at financially? What you bring to the table? You feel me? How much money do you make? She's worried about the finances, the success, who you are, how much status you have. You feel me? And since we in the social media age, how many followers you have on social media. You feel me? They clout chase and they chase success. And we want pussy. We want sex appeal. We want a beautiful girl. We want a bad, excuse my French, but we are in today's society. We want a bad bitch. And that bad bitch is usually going to be a beautiful woman with a curvy. She's going to be curvaceous. She's going to have long hair. You feel me? She's going to be beautiful. So we want a girl for her looks. Women want us for our success. You feel me? So just keep that in mind, bro. So the only way that you can combat a girl's looks, her options, is with success. So y'all, man, what y'all need to do? Y'all need to get on y'all shit. And y'all need to, sorry about that. Y'all need to get on y'all shit. Y'all need to get a trade, a skill, or a degree. Do the self-improvement. Depending on how you feel about yourself, you need to improve your body. You feel me? Improve your mind, your mindset. Quit hanging around stagnant motherfuckers who live paycheck to paycheck. You not being fake by closing yourself off from people who being stagnant, broke motherfuckers, for lack of better words. You feel me? You want to progress. You elevating. You feel me? You going up to the next level, bossing your life up. So if you truly want to be able to combat a girl's looks, her sex appeal, her beauty, because the power of the pussy down there is right up there with a man's success. So get on your shit, self-improve, get on your purpose, find something that you love doing while you on your shit, working your trade, skill, degree. You feel me? Whatever you doing, you putting money into your purpose, that thing you love doing, whether you painting, whether you love playing basketball, you want to make it to the league in the NBA, or even you might want to be a YouTuber, you feel me, like me. Whatever it is, build yourself up, be successful. You feel me? That's the only way you can combat a woman's looks. You feel me? This is the reason why we got gold diggers. I know y'all see these gold digger pranks on YouTube. A female didn't want you initially because she didn't know what your status was. She thought you was just a regular motherfucker on the streets walking up to her. Want to get her number, a thirsty dude. When she see you getting the fucking Lamborghini, that Maserati, you feel me, that Corvette, now she wants you. She choosing because she see that you have success. Her hypergamous brain is telling her that, hey, that man has success. Approach. Send choosing signals. You feel me? So when this happens, fellas, you need to know that you're going to get way more options just off of success. Also, I want to go into another topic. It's also the same thing. Y'all need to stop being so thirsty, bro. I had too many times, too many women, I would talk to them on Snapchat, Facebook, and the main thing they would say is that guys don't know how to give up. You feel me? Guys can't take no for no. Not as far as rape, they in the bedroom and she don't want to have sex and you pressure her. Not in that aspect. But in the aspect of when a guy let me just put y'all on game, bro. With approaching, how to not be thirsty. I'm going to end this video on this. I know I've been jumping from topic to topic, but I'm explaining it. I'm putting females on game and I'm putting y'all men, y'all young gentlemen, I'm putting y'all niggas on game too. Basically, stop being so thirsty with women, bro. When you first approach a woman, if she give you I don't care if it's disrespectful or respectful. If you go up to a girl who married, hey, how you doing? My name Cash Free Game. Or, hey, how you doing? My name Evan. I think you cute. I want to get to know you. I'm not saying word. It's not something I'm just off the top of my head. She show you the ring. I didn't wear my ring today. I'm married. Hey, I can make you happy. You know, are you happy in your marriage though? You feel me? Is he making you happy? I can make you happier than he is. A lot of women, they have a response in their head that they want to do when they go to the club, and they don't want now a guy who she's attracted to, she has success, she might give him the time of day. But for guys like this who's thirsty, you feel me? Who you might not be thirsty, but out the gates initially, but you may not be her type. She turn you down. Now you keep pressuring her. You feel me? So first, she would just tell guys, I'm not interested. Are you a bougie one, huh? You feel me? Y'all start pressuring. Are you a bougie one? Just let me get to know you. Let me show you different, baby. I'm not like these other guys. This is something that she heard from 1,000 other guys, bro. And you keep pressuring her. You feel me? Now, with this, when you approach a girl, if she shows no fucking interest, walk away, bro. If she giving you 1 or 2 word answers, walk a fucking way. Now, if she even took it a step further, I'm gonna just take my ring this time. Now, she put her ring on. I'm married. You feel me? I've been married in a happy marriage with my husband for 2 years. Are you really happy though? I can make you happier. I got this, I got that. She like, oh my God, ain't shit working. They still won't give up. You feel me? You like, and she just like, I'm not really interested. Why you playing hard to get, baby? You feel me? That be your response. Why you playing hard to get, baby? Why you acting bougie? Fellas, y'all have to know when to walk away. Y'all want to get maced? Y'all want to walk home and y'all fucking eyes burning because you didn't know how to give up? You feel me? Another thing with texting, bro. Let me put y'all on some texting game. If you get a girl's number, if she leaves you on red, I just made the why she left you on red video. How to respond if she leave you on red? What y'all do? You think y'all should double text her? Don't do shit. You feel me? If a woman leaves you on red, don't continue to respond. Hey, you still there? Hey, what's up? I thought I just wanted to get to know you. What's going on? You busy? Don't do that, bro. You think that's showing her strength or weakness? Don't. If a girl leaves you on red, if a girl doesn't text you right back, also, you don't want to text a girl right fucking back. You feel me? It's like, in a woman's brain, it's like, why do we have this much time on this hand to respond to my text 10 seconds later? You feel me? You have to create a little bit of mystery in her head. Make her wonder what you're doing. Make her wonder, do you have other options? You don't want to text her right back. If a girl call you, if you call a woman and she don't pick up, don't keep blowing her fucking phone up, bro. Don't get this woman stalker vibes. This is what you're doing when you being thirsty. You feel me? I'm going to make a whole different video on this topic next. I just want to touch on this a little bit. The only way now, had you have gotten on your shit, had you have been successful, had you gotten that trade skill degree, improve your body, your wardrobe, your drip, you got your drip up, the things you wearing. You feel me? You can get a nice haircut. You can get your beard trimmed down, dyed a little bit. You feel me? Put on some nice shoes, have some nice expensive cologne. Now you're getting choosing signals. But I just want to put y'all on some game, man. I don't know if I went on a rant, but I haven't been on here in a while. Ladies, that's why men don't keep it 100 with y'all. That's why they don't be honest. If a man wants to fuck, if he tell you that's all he wants, it's a chance you might walk away. And his scarcity mindset, you feel me? He don't want that to happen, so he would lie to you. When that's not really the right way of going about it. Y'all, man, stop being so fucking thirsty, bro. Stop. If she don't want you, if she's showing lack of interest, don't keep talking to her. If she's showing you clearly that she's not interested, you're not really her type. Or maybe she just don't feel like being approached. Maybe she just want to have fun. She don't want to talk to guys today. Maybe she not texting you right back because she busy. Maybe she don't text her right so fast, bro. 10 seconds later, you already texting her. You feel me? So I just had to put y'all on some game real quick, man. Hope y'all watched all the way to the end. If you did enjoy the video, please like, comment, subscribe below. See y'all later.